So this is part 2 of client-side scripting. So today we'll tell you about some client-side APIs, some important APIs, and you can see on my screen. So some important APIs like a glide form, glide user, glide ajax, glide dialog window, glide models. This it all are important APIs we can say, but mostly in day-to-day activities, like as per my experience, mostly we are using glide form and glide users. Sometimes mostly and we are using glide ajax also. Okay, so we use most of the not every APIs, but sometimes those important APIs I'll tell you. Okay, so let's start with the glide form. So glide form is used to customize form and perform some activities on the form. Like we have an incident form, and on that incident form you want to perform any activities. Okay, like you want to make some field mandatory, you want to set some values, and you want to add some option there. Okay, so you can use with the help of glide form. Okay, so if you want to access any any field value, so with the help of glide form object we can use. So how we will use g underscore form. Okay, so it is client side. Okay, client only we can use only in client. So the syntax is g underscore form dot glide on client methods will be come here. Now next is glide user. Okay, so glide user is used to get information about the logged in user. Like if any information you want to get and you want about the logged in user, key what the full name, last name, user ID, what is the role. So you can use glide user and you can get that information. Okay, which object we use? G underscore user. It is also a client side. Okay, and syntax is G underscore user dot, and you can use methods here. So let's start and interact with the glide form and glide user in the client script. Okay, so this is my personal development instance. Okay, so I open the client script. Okay, under system definition you can use client script. Okay, so this is a client script list view. Here we can get lots of out of the box client script. So we'll click on the new button, and this is a client script form. So this is a name field. You can give your client script name. This is a table, on which table you want to perform. This is UI type, where you want to like desktop, mobile, all. Okay, so this is the type. We have a or like four type of client script: on cell edit, on change, on load, on submit. Okay, in next videos I will tell you each and every about client script with the real time example. Okay, it's an application field. Like now I'm using in global application, you can use in scope applications also. This is the active, like you want to active or inactive your client script. This is inherit. What is the meaning of inherited? If you're using this client script on base table, what is a base table? Is a task table, and task table is extending an incident table, change table, problem. Okay, if you're going to make any client script and okay, writing any client any scripting on the base table, then that will be execute on the parent table also, sorry, extended tables also. Okay, with that, if I check this box, but now, right now I'm not using this box. Okay, this is the global. If you check this global, means it's this client script will execute on the globals. Okay, if you uncheck this, that means you have to provide some view here, on which view you want to execute your client script. Okay, so this is the description. You can give any description like what your client script will do. Okay, this is a message also, you can give any messages also, and this is a script. You can write your script here. Okay, if I change, look, if I change on load, the function will come. Okay, the syntax will come automatically, like on submit, like this. It will change according to which script you're going to use that. Okay, like when you change on change, I'll tell you about the on change and all set edit everything. So don't worry, in next videos we'll talk about the all client script. Okay, so let's just give you some demo. Okay, like look how can get this achieve, like achieve, we can achieve these things. Like I want to alert some message. uh, First of all, I have to give the name. Sorry, I forgot to give a name. Demo. Okay, on which table I want? An incident table. Okay, UI type always I take all, and I'm going to use an onload. Okay, and everything is perfect. Okay, like I'm going to alert some on incident form, so I can use that. Okay, let I just save and I just show you. I just open the incident dot list. If I open any incident form, it will execute on the form. It will show some alert. Look, this is a demo. Okay, next in this I'm added something like I'm just using one variable a. Okay, I'm going to get the detail if, okay, get the detail like user, getting the user full name. Okay, so g underscore user dot, look, this is all our method, this is API, and this is all our, like, you can get first name of the logged in user, get client data, get full name, has role, which role exactly, all our methods. So I'm going to take a get full name. Okay, so now full name. Okay, and g underscore form I'm also using to add some, add info message, sorry, form dot add some info message. I'm adding some info message. Okay, like you have logged in as a, so I'm using a. Okay, means this full name where will store, it will store in variable a. Okay, so this variable a, so now in variable a, what I have a full name of the client, like logged in user. So now I'm using some add info message. Add info message is a method. Okay, so you have logged in user in, I have using some string field, plus I concatenate a variable a. I just save and I show you. I load this form. Like my first one start executed. The second one is you have logged in as a system administrator. Means because I have a system administrator, so logged in username will come here. Okay, so you can see here. Now let's start. I just show you something more. Okay, if if my priority is one. Okay, the next is if priority is one. If the priority is one, okay, then what will happen? I have to show some alert to user, like you are going to create a priority one incident. Okay, so I write some code for like if priority is one, then you have to show some alert here, like you are going to create a priority one incident to user. Okay, so let's start. I create a new on incident table. I'm going to create. It will use incident. It will use when user will submit the form. Okay, just I write the something here like okay, on submit. First, what I will do, I'll just store some priority, okay, in one variable. So, how can I store? If you know, then you can get the better. Okay, okay. So this will execute like first. What I did, I just kept a one variable. Okay, what is a variable name? It's a priority. Okay, and with the help of g underscore form API, I get the value from the priority. Means from priority field, it will get the all values, like all priority will come store in the priority variable. If if my priority will equal to 1, agar if my priority will equal to 1, then it shows some alert like you are going to create a P1 incident. Okay, so let's save this incident client script and okay, so let's start with incident form. First, what I will do, I'll just use some incident dot list view. So okay, so first I'll just priority 2. Okay, look here, this okay, this is my first scripting working. Okay, so I can just turn off my script, like you can inactive like this, then it will not execute. Okay, now I just reload the form. Look, if I will just, my priority will be 1. Okay, now if I will submit the form, look, you are going to create P1 incident. Means it's alerting me like you're going to create a P1 incident when I will use in submit. Okay, so if I'll okay, that it will be submit the form. Otherwise, if I use some confirmation message, you can use confirm API also there. If we use that one, then it will show like a okay and cancel. If you click on cancel, that will not save in the database. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. In next videos, I'll tell you about the client script and types of client script, and I'll take one examples of every type. Okay, so if you like my videos, please subscribe and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care.